Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a great scholar and social reformer from India. He was known for his kindness, intelligence, and simplicity. One day, he was traveling to a nearby town to give a lecture. Vidyasagar wore a simple dhoti and kurta and carried no fancy belongings. When he reached the town, he went to an inn to rest. The innkeeper looked at him and thought, "This man looks poor. He cannot be important." The innkeeper spoke rudely and refused to give him a proper room. Vidyasagar did not argue. He quietly left and stayed at a small, simple hut nearby. The next day, Vidyasagar delivered his lecture at a grand hall. Many people gathered to listen to him. Everyone praised his knowledge and wisdom. The innkeeper also attended the lecture and was shocked to see that the poor man he had insulted was such a respected scholar. After the lecture, the innkeeper fell at Vidyasagar's feet and said, "I'm so sorry for how I treated you. I judged you by your appearance." Vidyasagar smiled kindly and said, "Never judge someone by their looks. True worth is found in a person's character and actions, not their clothes." The innkeeper learned a valuable lesson that day and treated everyone with respect from then on. So, friend, the moral of the story is respect everyone no matter how they look or what they wear.